on the hottest day of the year. It's 41 degrees here in Delhi. We're in the middle of a heat wave. Put her into the shade. We'll put her underneath this gula tree, beautiful cluster fig tree here, and give some water. Our little friend here looks like I feel in this 41 degree heat. Wildlife SOS are on their way from Defcol. I just gave them a call and amazingly they said they're going to be here in 20 minutes. This Brahmini kite is suffering from dehydration, filling in a rescue form, and Pratap says that there's been about 15 birds that he's collected today, and on a normal day 2 or 3. So the heat really is affecting the birds. Please do put out water on your balconies, on your terraces, in front of your homes, because the birds really need to drink. If it's hot for us, it's hot for them.